And let's see. Okay, so we're gonna turn. Welcome. We got we're live. We're streaming there. We're streaming there. All right. How you guys doing? Happy Friday to you. This is Dr. Greg McLeod, Lead Traders University, the 16th of February, 2024. I know you're expecting Uncle Cut at this time. I'm doing a special Friday PPI. If anyone jumps on, that's cool. This is kind of like impromptu. And let me go ahead and get my gang in here so we can start trading. The PPI is going to be up. That's the inflation number, wholesale inflation number. And so this connection is fair. And good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, hello, hello. Uh, it is 5 a.m. here in beautiful Las Vegas. The lights are shining. It's still dark outside. And I'm going to bring in my crew. Let me go ahead and get them. Yeah, that's probably surprising to know that I'm a lazy bum and I'm not up on Fridays. But I actually wanted to we had a good night last night, so we cut it off early. So I said I'll make up to them by doing a little special today. So I'm going to go to the winner's circle, and I'm doing a PPI Friday special. Okay, so for that, um, and so good to be with you here. I'm going to go ahead and share my charts. I'm actually going to be doing some C traders scalping. We're going to be looking at the we are going to be looking at a couple of things here. I can get everything set. We're going to use our higher time frame chart, and we're going to use a special indicators here. Okay, and let's go ahead and so we might not. Let's go ahead and share our screen. Sharing is caring, and let's see if we can get it going. Share. Okay. Alrighty then. I think we can share. We're gonna share that. Okay. All right. We're gonna go to we're gonna lock this up into the same. We're doing a little C trader action here. We haven't done C trader in a long time. And we're going to go to we can go through ticks here. We can go 20 tick is a pretty good time frame to trade, right? And we have these before we start looking at the charts, all you chart pounds out there. We are going to this is King Midas. We got the King Midas set up here on the left hand side, and we have a special breakout GPS for C Trader that we have going on the right hand side. So we'll see how that goes, right? Let me go ahead and pull up, you know, my we'll pull up my market heat map. Like starting with my market heat map. My market heat map is an arrangement of currency pairs by percentage change. Tells us what's hopping, what's popping, what's dropping, it's what's not in the market. And right now we're having a sale, $19.99 per month. So you want to go ahead and jump on that deal. And so let me go ahead and make sure we're sharing is caring. Yeah, we got share. Okay, fantastic. I'll check the chat box too, make sure that we are chatty. Oh, make sure we are chatting. Okay. Oh, okay. I'm gonna get rid of you. And yeah. Meanwhile, let's let me print a little my market heat map commercial for you guys.
$6.6 trillion are made every day on the foreign exchange market. And although you love a piece of the action, a lack of knowledge and experience has you wasting more time than you make. What if trading like a pro and making smart decisions could be easy? No scanning endless charts or analyzing confusing reports. No time-consuming research or unreliable social media hot trading tips. Quit the guessing game, avoid risk, and get the answers you need to make huge profits starting right now with My Market Heat Map, a trade scanner that provides a complete overview of 28 Forex currency pairs, plus gold, silver, oil, commodities, crypto, and other major global market indices. Quickly and efficiently identifying profitable market trends and lucrative trade opportunities has never been easier. Simply buy in green, sell in red, and stay away from gray. Earn more, lose less for a limited time.
Okay, so that's My Market Heat Map. Now we know what you can come to mymarketheatmap.com and use one of our heat maps for free. Let's go ahead and in fact, I'm going to if the economic calendar gets a little stuck, we just go ahead and click the refresh button there. Economic calendar, and this is Friday. We've got PPI coming up. We had core PPI year on year. Previous number was 1.8%. These are inflation numbers. And I talked in our Thursday Power Hour yesterday. Talked about how to trade inflation. Inflation. Many people complain about inflation. Everything's going up from the cost of like bread and gasoline and rents and things like that. But inflation can be a good thing if you're a trader because you can benefit from the inflation, right? So we're going to we had the CPI, which is the consumer inflation number that came out, and so now we're going to get into core PPI year on year. And hey, I see Nogar there. How you doing? Glad to see you there. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And so we're using the Restream software. And the Restream allows us to, we're going to be going at this for about a half hour, but we're going to switch over to switching everyone over to Facebook. And that way you can join us there in our free live Forex trading Facebook group and learn more. But again, inflation data coming out in 17 minutes. And let's go ahead and visit. We'll go over to the Facebook group. It used to be called Forex Cash Machine. But actually the new name is the Live Forex Day Traders Den. So if you are on YouTube, we will be switching over to the Live Forex Day Traders Den in just a few minutes. Okay, but make sure you become a member so you can have access to tools, strategies, information, be part of a vibrant day trading community. Which talking to hundreds of traders. We have 783 members of this vibrant community. And so it's growing and growing. Our goal is get 1,000 members or more. The sky's the limit. We have an army of traders learning our trading systems here. We're going to be lions. We're going to be devouring. We're going to be pushing the market and telling it where to go, right? So there's lots of information. We're going to have guides and tools and things like that. And here, actually, we had one of our students so new that he's not even enrolled yet. I mean, he's getting ready to be enrolled, but he was just following along. And I just wanted to show you how this guy was so confident by just watching and trading along with us. He's been doing it. He's been trading with Uncle Cut. He's been trading with me. And so he just decided that, when he saw a setup, he was going to pull the trigger hard. And so what he did was he dropped 1,000 lots on the dollar yen trade. 1K is 1,000 lots, right? And in fact, you put 1,200 on, it opened up 1,000 and then opened up a 2, and he did it 4 times. And look at 25,000, 5,000, 25,971. This is a newbie, guys, who is brand new to our scalping system. Yeah, it's demo. Yeah, it's not. Yeah, I don't think a broker could push that much volume without a lot of help with like copy programs connecting different brokers together. But yeah, that's he pulled it through with no losses, guys. So what are you waiting for? What you want to do is, and if you're interested in learning how to scalp, because with this live trading room, our Facebook group is, it's for professionals. It's for people who, if you're a doctor, if you're a lawyer, you're a teacher, you're a professional, you're a business owner, you're an entrepreneur, you're topped out, and you want a profitable side hustle where you can spend a couple hours a day, pull the trigger and make money. Then you want to join this group, and then you want to learn the strategies and things like that. And if it makes sense, book a call with a member of our team so you can join Elite Traders University and join the elite. Uncle Cut went through it. My students have gone through it. Take your trading to new heights in 90 days. All the right tools and training to start trading professionally in 90 days. We have a 3-step approach. We start with simulation. We start with then demo and then live trading, and then we get you a prop trading account. Go ahead and come to Elite Traders University, watch a free master class, and learn more. Okay, let's back to the markets. Let's get back to the My Market heat map. Dollar yen is still in the driver's seat, probably indicating that inflation is going to be a little high. And so that's going to be coming up soon in just 13 minutes. Let's go ahead and go to the charts. And we're going to bring up, let's bring up, we can bring up Trading View over here. Boom. Walking it over. Okay. And then so we'll take a look at we'll look at dollar yen. Dollar's in the top spot actually. And let's go to our super charts and okay. And let's go to our clean template, and you can see higher highs and higher lows. And actually, we're going to do, we'll go. Okay. All right. So yeah, we were all into this earlier, about and then we got a pullback in the with 710. We are rallying higher there as well. And it looks like we have another leg higher to go. That's on the 1 minute. We walk, actually we can start from a higher time frame from a daily. And we can see that we are rising on with maybe a lower amount of, we're kind of slowing down. You see the little dojis there. After a big push move, and we got a couple of dojis there. Still an uptrend, higher highs and higher lows. So we have a nice uptrend there, right? Walking it down to a 4-hour chart, and then we have that coming on like that. Like I said, I don't intend on being in this extremely long. See if we can get a little bit of let's go down to a 2-hour, walk it down, and we're walking it down, and we can see that trend is still holding. We have a smaller trend developing along these candles here, a smaller trend. We have an established high and established low. We have a high that we had at 150, roughly 151, down to a low of about 149.54. That was the low that we found. That low was established on February 15th, 2024. Okay, and so yesterday, my trouble seems so far away. All right, so we're popping up to that 50% retracement, and we have different levels that we can look at, walk it down to our 1-hour chart, and then our 5-minute chart, right? We can see a little bit, we have some maybe overhead resistance coming. We're coming into that, but we also have this gap drop here, this base drop, and then we can maybe draw a little dotted line right across the top here at 150 spot 42, right there, where that will give us about 10 pips, 10 standard lots. It's like $400. That'd be a good take to go back to bed, right? 1 minute, and then we can drop it down to the 15-minute. Let's keep it going, keep it spicy. 15-second chart. Looks like it wants to maybe roll over a little bit, right? So that's so I like dollar, the majors. Looks like dollar yen, dollar CAD, dollar Swiss are all kind of on the upswing. Would like to. Oh, I know. what's going on here? Okay, good. Okay. Um, and we've got about 10 minutes before the news, and we get a little bit of show to the upside already. A little early. So yeah, watch those little early moves. I'm going to go to I'll go here, right? And actually, I I'm actually going to yeah, we're gonna I have King actually a King Midas strategy up here on the other side. And I have a as my 3 minute, 5 minute, and actually I want to change this to dollar yen, right? And if you'd like to have access to the strategy, we actually use a strategy on gold, and I actually want to showcase it because I want you to take a look at my. I wrote a new book on gold called the Gold Rush Blueprint, and it's usually 19.99. It's on sale for 4.99, and it has 3 different strategies in it, and also how to trade the shiny precious metal of gold. Um, and gold is a commodity. In fact, commodities are traded in the futures pit, just like currencies are treated as commodities as well. I'm trying to look for this USDJPY. I'm using an indicator called Breakout GPS, which is a indicator that I created for C-Trader. Um, and if you would like to purchase that, if you want to know more about it, let me know in the DM comments and let me know if you would like to get access to that as well. Okay. So this is our 20 tick chart of dollar yen. We have a move to the upside, right? And we've got about 8 minutes left on the clock. And let me just check the messages, see if anybody is there. And I see, oh, look at that. We got a little bit of a move already. And oh, we're moving ahead of the news, right? Okay. You always gotta watch that, not get FOMO and not get suckered into to a trade too soon, because you'll usually get like that Darth Maul candle. And I'll make sure I've got, oh no, that we need to beef this up a bit. And if we're gonna play to win, we're gonna play to win, right? Oh, not that. We're not gonna play that. Mr. Crawford will go with 1,000 lots, but no, we're not gonna do that today. Okay, so we got our pretty much set up. Seemed like inflation, CPI was up, PPI. Usually, if, the way we talked about trading inflation yesterday during the Thursday meeting, Thursday Power Hour, which I advise you to go into the guides. We're going to have all the power hours in the guides, and in those guides, I talked about how to trade inflation, and so we can make money on inflation. It's like, but a lot of people, while the majority of the world loses money on inflation, you're going to be the smart one and make some money on inflation, right? You can offset inflation, right? I'm actually going to do something. I'm going to put I know we might get a Darth Maul candle, but I'm thinking that we're going to get a high inflation print. So I'm actually going to do something. I'm going to put a buy stop. Oh, and like show me where I am, right? I want orders, right? So I'm gonna put a buy stop at 150.37, and I'm gonna look for a quick, you know, maybe 10 pips or so. Maybe I'm see like maybe we grab 15 to be nice. Maybe maybe 20 or 18 or so, right? So I got a buy order in here. This is we called it, and when we try to buy above market, it's called a buy stop, right? And if we want to buy below market, it's called a buy limit. So I'm setting a buy stop because if this thing rockets at the announcement, what I want to do is to I want to be in the market. So I'm going to see. I'm really relying on this higher time frame trend to remain strong, right? We've got, in fact, according to the key minus strategy, we have rising candles above a moving average, and so we are. I think we might get triggered in this trade. We got a trend line break before the news at 825. My buy stop is at 150.37. And we're currently trading 150 like 36. So, maybe I'll move my buy stop a little bit higher. I'm gonna leave it where it is. I want the thrust of the market to take me in and to close me out. And hopefully maybe it spikes lower first, then goes up. Again, PPI coming up, imminent PPI coming your way in 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Okay, so Coinbase shares surge in pre-market trade after posting first quarterly profit in 2 years. And Dow futures are down 23 points. S&P futures down 8.5. NASDAQ futures up 92.25. S&P 500 futures tick higher ahead of fresh U.S. inflation data. Now, if this just drops off and doesn't hit, then we won't have a trade, right? But I'm thinking we're going to get a bigger than expected print on U.S. inflation data. And let me just pull up. Yeah, I hope you guys are having a great evening, a great morning, wherever you are in the world. I see Uncle Cut has joined the group. And I don't see anyone else, but welcome, good morning, or good afternoon to you, sir.
Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning.
Hey. I know it's your day off, but
Yes, sir.
I was I told the guy that said that I was running on fumes because I did Thursday power hour, and then after that I did winter circle. And I said, if the moment we have several winning trades before 10 o'clock, we're cutting it off. And so
Right.
we crushed dollar yen last night, and
Oh my gosh,
and
that's
then
awesome.
and he saw Mr. Crawford Peterson there. He crushed it with 1,000. He put in like 1,200 lot order, and they broke it up into 1,000 and 218. So if you ever push, that's the most lots I've ever seen traded. I've traded like 100, 200, but not. It was gangster.
Yeah, he tested his limits. That's awesome. That's what we do here at ETU.
Push that envelope, right?
That's it. That's it. That's it. You got to apply pressure. That's how you make a diamond, right?
Right. He
That's right.
pushed
You
it.
apply pressure.
He pushed it so hard that it broke the order up into. He put in, I think, 1,218, and so it went 1,000, and then broke it up into from 1,000 to 218. So it had its upper limit, upper bounds.
Awesome.
1 minute, 1 minute, imminent 30, 40 seconds. We have foreign securities purchases as well as a low impact core PPI. Previous number was 0. Forecast call for 0.1 in 29 seconds. Count down, right? Down to PPI. We have
yeah, UJ, we killed them Thursday with UJ. We killed them yet Thursday with UJ. So I'm glad you kept the dream alive, sir.
Oh yeah. UJ, yeah, Dalian was been not misbehaving but behaving.
Yes, sir.
1 second, 1 second. Oh,
let's go!
Let's go!
It's over with. She's gone.
Woo, 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 woo,
Can't
woo,
close
woo,
out,
woo.
baby.
Go, 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 go. I'm closing all my trades. I'm closing all my trades.
Close.
I'm closing everything. I'm closing everything. I'm closing it all.
Oh, bam.
I'm closing it
Bam.
all. I'm closing it all. I'm closing it all. I'll be doggone if I let this come back and bite me on the ass.
Here we go. Well, that's it, babies.
This is crazy. Oh my God. Yes.
We did it. We did it, bro.
Oh my God. Oh my God. People just don't understand. This is beautiful. Yes. Ooh. Ah, boy, that felt good.
Felt
Oh,
good,
that
huh?
felt good. That felt good. I'm telling you, that felt great.
Nice. Congratulations, bro.
Oh man. No,
How'd you make out?
congratulations to you. I did pretty good. I had UJ, I had 5 runners since yesterday. I closed off 3 more. I left 2, but I was heavy on gold. I had 20 positions open at 0.1 each. So I had 20 positions open with that.
Yeah. Oh, here we go. We just got January wholesale prices rise 0.3 more than expected. More than expected, guys. Right. Oh, who would have known? The guy that puts a buy stop ahead didn't even part of a sell stop. How you guys doing out there? Let's see in the dashboard. Anybody? Hey, Sean is in the room. Jeff in the room from New Mexico.
Awesome.
facing 32. What are you doing? All right.
Yeah.
Very cool. Very cool. Okay, guys. Well, see, that's it. I made $418 in just a couple of seconds. We got the right there. I got the fill was nuts. My fill was at 150.51. I have fill entry price at 37. So, but hey, you got a profit. But my entry was a lot closer. But when the market breaks out like that, everything was pointing, GPS, everything was pointing green, everything was pointing up. But the guys, this is what we do at Pip and Run. We get in, we get out, and we make it really quick. Okay. So if you're watching this on a recording and this like that, don't try this on your own unless you had the training and unless you're a part of the group, part of the our day traders, our live day traders group, the live Forex day traders den. Okay. If you're watching this on YouTube, I didn't shut you guys off. I let you guys go ahead and watch it. But next time you're gonna join our group. Make sure you become a member. Let me see. No memberships. You know what? If I'm gonna hate members, I'm gonna shut off the YouTube if you guys start piling in. Okay. All right. With that, I want to wish you guys a happy weekend. Again, make sure that you come on over to Elite Traders University and book a call with a member of my team so you can learn how to trade the markets. Remember, why buy and hold when you can pip and run? Okay. I love you guys. You guys have a great rest of the weekend. But Uncle Cut, thank you so much jumping on. And thank you for your service to our group, to our community. And so we'll see you. Any last words?
God loves you. I love you. There ain't nothing you can do about it. Go ahead and cut the rope so you can be truly a part of ETU. God bless you guys.